Back on Y.O.TV, that's right, Young Overseer with my guest, Miss Dana Houston, music queen. She's gonna come on and just give a sample of not the song that she tore up, but she finna tear up another song. This is why she became the Facebook hit. Go ahead, Dana, give him a taste.
Pass me not, oh gentle Savior, hear my humble cry. Why on others thou art calling, Master, do not pass me by. I'm calling, Savior, oh Savior, why don't you hear my humble cry? And and why on others thou art calling, Master, do not pass me by.
Hey, take him to church. Y.O.TV, Young Overseer, man, truly blessed right now.